Okay, so now we are on sum number 4, 5 and 6 in order to finish this exercise, it is 4.4. And it says, fourth one says, find all the prime factors of 20570. That's 20,570. So let's factorize it, 20570. Children, remember, instructions have to be copied by you. I am not writing the instruction. I am here to solve the sum and explain that to you. Instructions are given in the textbook, that has to be copied by you. Ending with 0 will divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. Does not go in 0, put a 0. 2 twos are 4. How much am I left with? 1. That small 1 comes here. 2 eights are 16. Carry 1. 2 fives are 10. Now I know that this number is not divisible by 2. So I check for my next number, that is 3. Don't jump numbers. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 does not come in 3 times table. So I cannot divide by 3. So I go to my next prime number. My next prime number is 5. It's ending with 5. So I can divide by 5. 5 twos are 10. Does not go in 2. Put a 0. 5 fives are 25. Because it does not go in 2. So 2 and 8 becomes 28. So 5 fives are 25. From 28 if you take away 25, you are left with 3. Put that small little 3 here. So that you know what's being carried over. So 5 sevens are 35. Now it cannot divide by 5 because neither it's ending with 5 nor it's ending with 0. Don't jump numbers, check the next number, 7. Coming to 7, one of the students from one of the sections said, sir, you haven't taught 7. 7 also has a method. Yes, it has a method. It's not being taught to you in class 6 because you're still in a lower class and that is why they have not put it in your textbook. You are to be taught a particular method, a particular concept at a particular level. When you were in lower classes, first you were taught A, B, C, D, E, F till Z. After that you were taught how to form words, B-A-T, bat, R-A-T, rat, and so on and so forth. Then when you went to the next class, then you were taught how to make sentences. So the method for 7 will be taught to you in the later classes, which is very, very confusing. That is why we are not teaching it to you right now here. We are telling you to divide for yourself and see. The method will be taught to you in higher classes. So please be patient. Don't send remarks on WhatsApp saying, sir, but there is a method of 7 and you haven't taught it to us. We haven't taught it to you because this is not your level. This is not your brain development to understand that intricate method of test of divisibility for 7. That's the only one. That will come later on when you really get that grasping power and you will understand it. But for now, you will have to just do with dividing the number by 7 and understanding it. So please be patient, and if I have taught you, I have taught you right. You have to stick by that, and things will follow and come later on as they build up in mathematics from class to class. Now let's check for 7. 7 3s are 21, so 7 2s are 14, I will be left with 6. 7 9s are 63, I will be left with 2. 27 does not come in 7 times. See how fast we've done it? Just by dividing by 7, rather than understanding, because test of divisibility for 7 is a little intricate for you right now to understand. So it doesn't go by 7. So the next prime number that I have after 7 is not 9, because 9 is a composite number. The next number 11. Alternate numbers. So 2 and 5 7, 0 and 7 7, and 7 minus 7 is 0. So it will be divisible by 11. 11 ones are 11. Out of 20 I take away 11, I am left with 9. 11 8s are 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So I am left with 7. So that 7 comes here. And 11 sevens are 77. Again, test of divisibility for 11. Alternate digits. 1 and 7, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. The moment I get 0 or I get a multiple of 11, that means it is divisible by 11. So 11 ones are 11. Out of 18 take away 11, I am left with 7. 11 sevens are 77. 17 is a prime number. And there I have my factorization. 20570 can be written as 2 into 5 into 11 into 11 into 17. Please be very careful of this part where you copy all the divisors. These are divisors. They are called divisors because they are dividing a number. Let's go to our next question. Sum number 5 says, check whether the prime factorization of the given numbers are correct or not. If not, write the correct prime factorization. Now here I have the prime factorization of 60. 2 2s are 4, 4 15s are 60. But are these prime numbers? 2 and 2 are prime numbers, but 15 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. So how can I split this 15 into 2 prime numbers? 3 5s are 15. Both are prime numbers. So now the 60 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. That's how you do it. Let's go to the next number. 2, 2, 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. All are prime numbers, so it has been prime factorized. So you just copy it as it is. You don't have to write anything, it's correct. They have told us to correct the incorrect one. Now come to 72. 6 into 12. Both are composite numbers. None of them are prime numbers. How can I split 6 into 2 prime numbers multiplied by each other that will give me 6? 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3. How can I split up 12? Now splitting up 12 has 2 splittings. You can have 2 6 are 12 or you can have 3 4s are 12. You can use any one of them. I am using any one of them. So I am using say 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. Now again I have got 1 2 3 prime numbers, but this is a composite number. I have to split this even further. So what can I split them into? If you look at your previous sum, here, not the previous sum, the same sum, here. I have split 6 into 2 into 3. So here also I can split 6 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 3. Now what remains at the end of the arrows have to be copied. At the end of the arrows. Now this arrow has formed 2 more arrows. This arrow, now this arrow, arrow, arrow. Not this arrow because this arrow split into 2 arrows. I have to take down all the numbers that are at the end. Remember all the numbers that are at the end. So 72 can be split, can be written as prime factorization. 2, 2, 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 3, 3 into 3 into 3. Now you must be wondering why sir saying 2, 2, 2 and 3, 3. Just keep it in order. Why you want to write 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3? Answer will remain the same. But put all the 2's together, put all the 3's together. So it's easy for you to conclude whether you got the answer correct or not. So 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 3's are 24. And 24 3's are 17. So you have factorized it. This is the working for sum number 5. Coming to sum number 6. In the book it says, make a factor tree of. We have not done factor tree. Factor tree has not been done with you. It will not be asked for the examination. It's most important for you to know 2 proper methods. And I am teaching you prime factorization and common division method. So we will change that sum. Again I am repeating myself. We will change the instruction of that sum. We will change the instruction of that sum saying write the factors of. Now sum number 8, this will be for homework. You will do it by yourselves. I am doing sum number B and C. Let's find the factors of 16. 1, 16s are like I have taught you. Will 2 go in 16? 2, 8s are 16. Will 3 go into 16? No. Will 4 go into 16? Yes. 4 4s are 16. But I am supposed to write only 1 4. Number is repeating itself, so I stop. The last sum. 1 35s are. 2 will go? No. 3 will go? No. 5, 7 is up. 6 will go? No. 7 is already there. And that's it. These sums have to be done for today in your notebook in neat handwriting with a black pen. The only homework that I am giving you is sum number 6 part A. That will be done by you. Do take good care of yourselves, look after yourselves, be of some help to people who need help and especially your parents. Stay at home and stay safe.